30, what is the distance? Distance is automatically the formula, the square root, the change of our x's squared plus the change of our y's squared. We've done it 100 times. We should have it down pat by now. But where we get it from is you have 2 points, a point here and a point here. We want to know the distance between it. Well, this leg and that leg, we can make a right triangle. This leg is simply, the distance from here to here is simply the change of whatever your x values are. And then your height change is from here to here, which is the change in your y values. So we simply have the change of these squared plus the change of those squared will equal your c squared. Then to get c, we have to take the square root. That's why we start the formula with a square root of them. So change of your x's. What do they differ by? 2 to 10. That's a difference of 8. The other is also 2 to what? 10. So that's a difference of 8. So I just simply go, oh, 8 times 8, 64. 8 times 8, 64. Add them together. I just got to take the square root of 128. Once I do that, I know 11 times 11 is 121. You have a calculator. You should get, I don't know, about 11.2, 11.3. I think it's 11.3. Round to the nearest tenth. Yep, 11.3. 31, what is the midpoint, middle point between these two guys? How do I find the middle? I add them together and divide by 2. I'm going to add my x's of 10 and 100 together and divide by 2. I'm going to add my y's of 20 and 260 and find the middle of my y values. And it's an ordered pair, so parentheses. 10 plus 100 is 110, divided by 2 is 55. 20 plus 260 is 280. 280 divided by that, 140. So there we go. There's our middle point between these two guys. Which pair of angles below are complementary? That means they add up to what? Well, we can just make that see that my son likes to do that. 90. So which of these add to 90? Those do not add to 90. 61 and 39, if I add them together, yeah, that's 100. That's not it. These guys, when I add them together, I should get, guess what? 90. 24 and 66 are your ones who are complementary.